Today, we're going to make a fire beat for Yeat. Let's jump straight in. Change the tempo to 145 beats per minute, and let's open up a serum. Guys, this is going to be the easiest sound design tutorial you've ever experienced. I reckon we're going to click about 5 buttons. Boom, 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 and done. Wait, there was one more button. And maybe let's turn this down a little. Yeah, power chord time. Some compression, ping pong, and reverb. Chorus. Wow, that melody was fast. Right, I want to make this sound a little more glitchy. I'm going to take out these chords, paste them into their own pattern, and then we got this. Then we can render this as an audio clip. Let's save it first, because this thing likes to crash. Show face some way. Show me how. Yeah. Now we can render this as an audio clip. Oh, I'm going to add something sick here. So if we reverse that, I think that'll be here now. Guys, we're saucing this up, and we're not even a minute into the video. Oh, guys, I've got the perfect sound. Wow. Oh, here we go. Yes! I don't know if I like this delay. Right, we're going to modulate the delay. Automate the delay. Woo! Yeah! This is sounding fire, guys. We're going to shift this down to... Yes! Time to add some more cool stuff. Let's open up a Grain X4. We need to add a fat bass line. Well, kinda. It's not gonna act as a bass line. Yes! Maybe a respace is better. Yeah. Right, for this bass sound, we're going to add a low pass filter. So let's open up a fruity filter. And by the way, did you know that this is how this man got his name? Party Next Door got his name from an FL Studio filter preset, which, by the way, adds that low pass effect that you hear in a lot of Party Next Door sounds. Isn't that interesting? Let's find a bell. Yeat bell. Right, we're going to layer some of these chords. Grain X. That's cool. Yeah. More layers. Multi-sample pad. That could work. Omnisphere. A little texture. Yeah, that sounds sick. I think we should start adding some drums. I'm going to use all my sounds from the Listen Up drum kit, which is linked in the description. We're going to keep it simple and use the spins on this. Copy the bass notes. Let's layer some claps and some snares. Open hat, a little shorten, or maybe shorter. Yeah. Time for a little splice action. Let's add some perks. What is it with these sounds, bruh? That can never go in a beat, ever. Who is putting that in their beats? Oh, I've got an idea. Bow, wow. Guys, you know what we're going to do. No point even saying it. You already know. Bit of a distortion. Yo, I think that sounds sick. Let's render this. Please don't crash. Oh, I hadn't saved that in so long. And let's drag this into the playlist. Little choppy. Let's add a lead. Oh my, that sounds sick. Nah, trash. Let's add some Portal. Yeah, I think this sounds cool. Guys, I think we're pretty much done. We can add some super cool ups in here, which was... Not that one. Or that one. Or that one. Do you know what? We've lost so much faith in the Omnisphere arpeggiators, we're going to arpeggiate this ourselves. Trash. Okay, new idea. We're just going to add some kind of choir sound in here. Human voices. Let's use one of these. Right, guys, we're going to do the quick test. I think there's a slight problem with the hi-hat, and I also felt there's a slight problem with this weird drum effect that we added. I feel like it's got a pitchiness to it that sounds out of key. I think we should change the hi-hat as well. Right, guys, we're going to export it one last time. And then we're going to slow it down and we're going to know if this is a fire Yeat beat or not. Right guys, we are done. It took us a while, but we got there in the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Also, let me know in the comments what videos I should drop next. I'm down to experiment with any style of music. By the way, the plugin I use for most of the sounds in this video, Grain X4, is currently 50% off and linked in the description of this video. Make sure to go and check it out.